Artificial intelligence is here and it's changing our world. AI is like a new brain, a very smart and fast brain. This brain is learning how to make money. AI will reshape our jobs and create new kinds of wealth. AI works day and night, never getting tired. It can see patterns we miss, patterns in numbers and data. This helps businesses grow strong and helps people find new income. Think of AI as a powerful tool, a tool everyone can soon use. The future of money is changing, and AI is the key to this change. We must understand this power. We must learn to work with AI. Look around you today. The world is buzzing with activity, and much of it is driven by AI. AI is already making money in many different fields, transforming industries and creating new opportunities. Banks use AI for smart investing, helping them choose good stocks and optimize their portfolios. It also spots and stops fraud, saving banks lots of money and keeping our money safer. AI's vigilance is crucial in protecting financial systems. Robo-advisors give financial advice, helping people plan their savings and investments with ease. In healthcare, AI is a helper, assisting doctors in finding diseases and providing accurate diagnoses. AI can see tiny signs early, which means better treatments and improved patient outcomes. It can help invent new medicines that save more lives, creating value for drug companies and advancing healthcare. Retail stores use AI too, integrating it into their operations to enhance customer experiences. It helps them know what you like and suggests products you might buy, making shopping more personalized. This makes shopping easier for us and means more sales for stores, boosting their revenue. AI manages their stock very well, so stores have what you need and do not waste goods, ensuring efficiency. AI is making retail smarter, more efficient, and more responsive to customer needs. The future of AI is exciting. It will bring even more changes. AI will get much smarter and learn even faster. Imagine AI financial advisors, very personal, knowing your exact needs and goals, helping everyone manage money well. AI might predict market changes, helping us avoid big losses. In healthcare, AI will do more, designing personal health plans to keep you always healthy. AI might find cures for big diseases, creating huge value. Imagine AI-powered tiny robots fixing problems inside our bodies. New companies will form around this, offering amazing health solutions. AI will help us live longer, better. AI will unlock so much potential. Section 4. AI's Gold, the Big Surprises. In this section, we will explore the unexpected and transformative changes that AI will bring to our lives. AI will bring unexpected changes, reshaping our world in ways we can't yet fully imagine. Changes in how we earn money, how we work, and even how we think about employment. Think about your own personal AI, an AI that works just for you, tailored to your needs and preferences. It could manage your schedule, find you new job chances, and even negotiate your salary, ensuring you get the best possible deal. This AI will be your money helper, guiding you to earn more than before and making your financial life easier and more efficient. AI will create new types of art, pushing the boundaries of creativity and innovation. It can write music, paint and design amazing new things, blending technology with artistic expression. Humans will work with AI artists, and together they will make new art forms, creating a synergy between human creativity and machine precision. These creations can be sold, and people will pay for AI-generated content, recognizing its unique value. A whole new creative economy will emerge, driven by the collaboration between humans and AI, opening up endless possibilities. Section 5. Your future with AI and money. The future with AI is bright and full of amazing chances. It offers us new ways to solve problems and create value in our lives and businesses. AI is not something to fear, it is something to embrace. It can help us tackle challenges that were once thought impossible. AI will be our partner, helping us do more and achieve our dreams. It will assist us in reaching new heights of productivity and innovation. Think of AI as an amplifier. It makes human skills stronger and our ideas bigger. It enhances our capabilities and opens up new possibilities. The pace of change is quick. We must adapt and learn to keep up with the rapid advancements in AI technology. AI is growing exponentially, which means its power doubles often. This rapid growth brings both opportunities and challenges. What seems like science fiction now will soon be our reality. The future is closer than we think, and AI is at the forefront of this transformation. Learning about AI is important, and understanding its potential is key. Education and training will be crucial in harnessing the power of AI. By working with AI, we can build a better financial future, a future with more opportunity where everyone can thrive. Together, we can create a world where technology and humanity coexist harmoniously.